स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट के बारे में। अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट रिजल्ट नेट प्रॉफिट surpasses the estimate at the 1,729 crore on strong cement sale. UltraTech Cement reported a consolidated Q3 financial year 2026 net profit of 1,729 1,72,794 crore, up 27% YoY, exceeding estimate after accounting for a one-time exceptional expense of 88 crore under the new labor code. Revenue rose 23% to 21,830 crore, while EBITDA grew 35.2% to 3,915 crore, with margin improving to 17.94%. Consolidated cement sales volume grew 15% YoY, with domestic grade cement market up 29.4%. Capacity utilization improved to 77%, and the company commissioned 1.8 mtpa of new cement capacity in Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Leading cement manufacturer UltraTech Cement Ltd on Saturday, January 24, reported a consolidated net profit of 1,729.4 crore for Q3 FY26, up 27% from 1,363 crore in the same period last year, surpassing the CNBC TV18 poll estimate of 1,540 crore. The result include a one-time exceptional expense of 88 crore toward additional gratuity and leave encashment obligation under the new labor code effective November 21, 2025. Profit before interest, depreciation and tax (PBITD) rose to 4,051 crore from 3,142 crore. Revenue from the Qatar rose 23% to 21,830 crore from 17,778.8 crore a year ago, also above the CNBC TV18 poll forecast of 21,235 crore.